Introducing Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Streak-Free Mist Interior Detailer and Hybrid Solutions Leather Mist. Unlike any other, this uniquely designed delivery system offers precise misting performance, coating the desired surface evenly, all without the hazards of traditional aerosols and the uneven spotting or dripping of traditional spray bottles. Hybrid Solutions Streak-Free Mist Interior Detailer cleans and deodorizes all interior surfaces. Natural enzymes clean and remove odors for up to 24 hours, leaving behind a clean and fresh scent, while proprietary UV absorbers help protect your car's surfaces from UV-induced fading and damage from the sun's harsh UV rays. Hybrid Solutions Leather Mist cleans, deodorizes, protects, and restores natural shine and luster to all leather surfaces. While the fine misting sprayer evenly spreads the non-greasy cleaning formula, conditioning agents rejuvenate the leather surface alongside a fresh scent and proprietary UV absorbers, thus avoiding fading and damage from the sun's harmful UV rays. Turtle Wax, dedicated to the drive.